Hi friends, today we'll discuss the female reproductive system in cockroach. The female reproductive system of cockroach comprises of pair of ovaries, oviduct, vagina, genital chamber, spermaticae, collateral gland, and female gonapophysis or ovipositor processes. The pair of ovaries are yellowish colored and located in abdominal segments, that is from second abdominal segment to the sixth abdominal segments. Each ovary consists of 8 ovarules containing chain of developing ova. Each ovarule is made up of 5 parts. The first part is the terminal filament or ligament. Thus, it is a thin thread-like filament and it is a syncytial having many nuclei. Second part is the germarium and it consists of germ cells. That is, only early stage of egg formation is present within the germarium. The third part is the vitellarium. The germarium is followed by vitellarium and it consists of the various ovas which are in maturing stage, and thus it appears in a beaded form or it has a beaded appearance. It contributes largest part of the ovarule. The next part is the egg chamber. When egg gets mature, it, it comes to the egg chamber. It contains a single large mature ovum at a time. The last or fifth part of the ovarule is the stalk. Egg chamber continues posteriorly into thin-walled, hollow stalk which open into lateral oviduct. Next to these ovarules, the next organ is the oviduct. The stalk of all 8 ovarules on one side join to form oviduct, which is a lateral small with a muscular wall. Both the lateral oviducts, they come together to form or unite together to form the common oviduct, and that common oviduct is called as a vagina. The genital pouch or gynaetrium in the female cockroach is formed by 7, 8 and 9 abdominal sternite. It is divisible into genital chamber in front and oothecal chamber or vestibule behind. The first part is the genital chamber or anterior part is the genital chamber and posterior part is called as the oothecal chamber. The anterior chamber where vagina, spermatheca and collateral gland open, that is called as the genital chamber. The oothecal chamber or vestibulum is the posterior part where the ootheca is formed. Other than this, the collateral gland in the paired form is present in female reproductive system of cockroach. The duct from both the gland open into the genital chamber. The secretion of the collateral gland forms a hard egg case or ootheca within which the eggs are deposited or present within the ootheca. Then the next part is the spermatheca. There is a pair of the spermatheca of unequal size and one spermatheca is larger than the another. The female genitalia consist of 3 pairs of chitinous processes hanging from the roof of oothecal chamber into its cavity. The ootheca is a specialized part which is made up of the word chitin secreted by the collateral by the secretion of the collateral glands, and it comprises of the 16 fertilized ova or eggs. Ootheca of cockroach is form of protein secreted by the collateral gland. Ootheca is purse-like in appearance, and on both the side the it comprises of 8 eggs each, that is total 16 eggs are present within the ootheca. The, these eggs develop into or the it forms a nymph of cockroach that emerges from the ootheca. A nymph resembles to adult in general structure but lack wings and mature reproductive organs. The instar is a last stage in the development of insect, that is the larval instar or nymphal instar. The period between the two molts in insect is called as a stadium. In Periplaneta americana or cockroach, the nymph grows by molting about 13 times to reach into the adult. So, in a nutshell, we can describe the female reproductive system that comprises in cockroach that comprises of the pair of ovaries having each ovary having 8 ovariole. Each ovariole comprises of the 5 parts. First one is a terminal filament, which is a syncytial. Second one is a germarium. Then third part is the vitellarium, where the uh, all the stages of the all the stages of the development of the eggs are present. Next to it is the egg chamber where the mature egg resides, and the last part is the stalk. The stalk of the next to this the oviduct, the stalk of all the 8 variole on one side gets unite to form the oviduct, and these both the oviduct they unite to form the common oviduct, or that we call it as a vagina. Then the having the genital pouch in the 7th, 8th and the 9th abdominal sternite. The anterior chamber is called as a genital chamber, and the posterior one is called as a oothecal chamber. Along with that, the pair of collateral gland is present. The duct from the gland open into the genital chamber. The secretion of collateral gland forms a hard egg case or ootheca around the egg. Each and the sperm, there is a pair of spermatheca of unequal size, and one is larger than the another. Ootheca of the cockroach, it comprises of the 16 fertilized egg. The ootheca of cockroach is form of a protein secreted by the collateral glands. From the ootheca of the cockroach, the nymph arises, and then it molds to form the adult cockroach. Thank you.